Welcome to my channel and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Chris and I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch this video. I do appreciate that. Y'all, today I'm gonna unbox this special bag that I just got recently, and this is gonna be a Patricia Nash denim crossbody bag. It's called the Andali, and it's really, really nice. I can't wait to unbox it and share it with y'all. Before I do that, I do wanna say thanks to all my returning subscribers. If you're new to my channel and you love luxury, handbags, and fashion as much as I do, please consider subscribing today by hitting that subscribe button and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. If you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all hop on over, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on TikTok and I post high quality images sometimes of everything I review on my Instagram page, so definitely check that out. For everything else Mad Hatter, y'all definitely check out my beacon links. It's gonna be the first link under my YouTube bio, and you can find lots of great information there, shopping links as well, and discount codes, so definitely check that out. With all that being said, if everybody could just take a moment to give my video a thumbs up, I do appreciate that. It does help my channel to grow, and you can also now hype the video. It's a new feature from YouTube. You just go under the YouTube app, under our comments under a video, swipe to the left, and it will show the hype button, and you can hype our videos, so thanks for doing that. With all that out of the way, y'all, let's go ahead and I'm gonna unbox this beautiful Patricia Nash bag. Y'all, this is my first Patricia Nash bag, and I got this from Macy's. It was on sale, so I got a really great steal on it. I'm thinking I'm gonna like it. It's a denim bag. I'm kind of into denim a little bit. This is a crisscross, kind of a woven pattern on the denim. And I think it's gonna be the right size for me. It looked big on the pictures, but you know, you can never tell until you get the bag home, or at least try it on in the store. And we don't have a Macy's here where I live, so I ordered it and now we're gonna see. And I'm gonna share it with y'all, and I'm gonna go over all the details and show you how it looks on me as well. So it's here, so let's unbox it. Before I do that though, I do wanna read a little bit about this bag so I can describe what it is. So here the bag is on the Patricia Nash website here, and it's on sale there for $140, $175. I got a really good deal at Macy's. It was about $100. But let me just tell you a little bit about this bag. The Andali, crafted in richly textured stonewashed denim, pairs retro charm with a modern, on-trend silhouette. The crossbody strap has a slider adjustment, so you can carry it as a shoulder bag or crossbody. This bag can go anywhere you go, so I'm hoping that it can go anywhere I go because I want to use it. But let's go ahead and we're going to unbox it together here. It did come in a Macy's box here, and of course I got it turned upside down so that not the whole world sees my address and everything, but let's cut it open and see what it looks like together and get into this package. I hope y'all are having a wonderful day today. I've had a long day today, and I just wanted to unbox this with y'all real quick before the rest of the evening got on. But here is the bag here, and it came in this packaging here. So far, I love the shape of this bag. Oh my gosh. All right, y'all, there it is in the packaging. Let's unwrap it and get all this plastic off so I can show it off to you. You know, Coach is coming out with a new denim drop coming up on the 28th, so I don't know. I'm just trying to get into some different bags because I haven't been too happy with Coach's customer service lately. Had some, you know, bad experiences there, but I love Coach. But I thought, let me just try some different bags here because there are so many different style handbags to choose from these days. I was like, let me just try some different things. But this looks really nice. It's got a denim strap on it, this trimmed in leather. So let me show it to you real quick. And hopefully I'm gonna like this. I was hoping that it would be a long enough strap too. On the pictures on the website, it really looked like it was a long strap. So it's kind of twisted here. Let me untwist it, and then I'm gonna show it to y'all. So here is the little bag here. All right, y'all, there it is. Very, very cute shape to this bag. I just love the denim too. It's just a blue jean material, and it's really nice. It's got kind of an antique gold hardware on it, and then you have this adjustable strap. The strap, unfortunately, is not removable, but it might be okay, especially with the design of this bag. So let me do a 360 of this Patricia Nash bag, and then we're gonna show you some close-up details. So let's do a little spin here. There is the front side of it, and let me just turn slowly. I do like the checkered woven pattern of it and the distressing on the little checkered pieces. And I just like the shape of it. This is a really nice crossbody shape. There's the bottom of it. Very, very nice. Let me show you the top here, and there is your top there. And it has that nice zipper pull and that antique and a really nice zipper. but I will go over the details and everything with y'all, okay? So that is the 360. Let me get everything out of the bag, the stuffing and all, and I'm gonna show you some close-up details. All right, y'all, so I got all the stuffing out of the bag, and here she is, really beautiful. I love this denim, so nice, and I love the distressing on it. Just look at it up close so you can see some of the details. Very nice, and it did come with a dust bag that says Patricia Nash on it, so really nice that it came with that. And let me just show you some close-up details real close. I'm gonna start with the zipper pull here, but I just love the shape of this, y'all. It's so different for me. All right, here we go. This is the zipper pull on it, and there is your antique style zipper pull. Very nice there, I love that. It has these little square pieces for your attachment to the strap, and it's got a leather on one side and then just denim on the other side of the strap, which is adjustable. And that leather goes all the way down the strap. So that's very nice, a nice little touch. Then you have this nice zipper here. Let's open up the zipper. Very nice on the zipper. And let me show you the interior of this bag. It's got a really beautiful color on the inside there. And this is kind of like a suede, just very, very soft suede material on the inside there. All right, so on the inside, you do have a Patricia Nash label there, and it is in leather as well. And you also have a pocket here. Let me show you the pocket and the zipper on it as well. So your zipper has a similar zipper pull on it there, just a little bit smaller. And then you have your little pocket here, and it is just a inside pocket there. It came with a Patricia Nash card on the inside here. Let me show you that. Okay, so there's the little Patricia Nash card. Tells you the style number and everything on it. And then on the opposite side here, after you've got this on top, you have on the other side a couple of little slip pockets down in there. So there's one there and in here. So you do have a little storage in this bag, and it's pretty roomy. This would be like a little bag for me to just take out with my phone and my essentials. I do like a big bag, but this is a big enough bag for me to be able to carry around town if I just needed to carry like my phone, my wallet, and my essentials. So I don't have to carry a whole lot in it, but I am glad that the strap is adjustable, and I'm gonna show you some mod shots with it in a moment, just to see how it looks on me after I extend that strap out. But it's very nice. I love the denim on it. And y'all, let me just give you a couple more close-up shots here so you can see this beautiful denim, because it is really nice. All right, very nice. And there's the bottom of it again. And I like, because it doesn't have any kind of branding or anything on it, but just kind of quiet luxury, but it's very stylish. So it'll go with a lot of outfits. All right, let me show you what it looks like on. All right, y'all, so here is how the Andali looks on me from Patricia Nash. I think it's a really beautiful bag, and I don't know, I just love the style. It's very casual, the denim look to it, and I think it's gonna go with a lot of different outfits as well. And the strap is extended all the way out here, so it really fits me perfectly. It's a really great length. Some bags, you know, they always come a little bit small, but this one right here is perfect for me. I do love the length of this one as well. So really beautiful little bag, and I'm really excited because I just love a denim bag. This one has some structure to it, but I think it's gonna get softer over time. So I'm really happy with it, but it's just a really nice little bag, especially for $100, y'all. Really, really nice steal. I feel like I got from Macy's with this Patricia Nash bag. Y'all tell me what you think about this bag in the comments. Is it for me? I think it's just me. I just love something like this, casual, and I don't know. I love the leather trim on it, and I love the leather on the strap as well. So it's just a cute bag to me, and I really think it's gonna go with a lot of stuff here, and it fits me just perfectly, very, very nicely. All right, so I'm definitely gonna be using this one when I'm out and about on the town. So y'all let me know what you think about how this bag fits me in the comments. I like it. All right, y'all, so that is my review for today on this really nice Patricia Nash Andali in this nice denim color. I think it's beautiful, and I love the leather trim on it. Very, very casual bag and easy to fit all my stuff into. Let me know what you think about this bag in the comments, and I hope you enjoyed my review on it. I hope I gave you enough information on it that you might want to get one yourself. Like I said, I got this one on Macy's, and it was around $100 on sale, and I think they still have some in stock if y'all are interested, but this is just a beautiful denim bag, and it's something different than just Coach. So I had to stretch my wings and find something a little different, and there's so many different bags to choose from. You should really look out there. But some of the different brands have some really cool styles, and Patricia Nash is one of them. She actually has a kiss lock bag that is really beautiful as well, and it's a lot less expensive than that Coach kiss lock. So if you're looking for something that's an alternative to Coach, go ahead and check out Patricia Nash. They have her at Dillard's and Macy's as well. So With all that being said, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. And don't forget to give me a like as well before you go. I do appreciate y'all, and I'll see everybody on my next video review. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.